Hey there! As you're probably already aware, we are preparing for an upcoming quarterly event, which will be a spelling bee. Not only that, but this week our special focus in the Lamp of Learning is on spelling. Now, why does spelling matter? Well, it depends. For some things, and at sometimes, maybe it doesn't matter so much. For example, imagine if you were at the beach and the waves were playing at your feet, and all of a sudden you see bobbing in the waves coming up towards you a bottle with a cork in it. And you look at it and you like try to go get it, and all of a sudden you realize there's some rolled up paper inside that bottle. And you pull the bottle out of the waves and you work at it until you can get that cork out, and you tap out that message and you're holding it in your hands, you unscroll it. What's your first thought? Are you going to go grab a red pencil and look for any spelling errors in that message? Probably not. You're really interested in what they have to say. And it might not be in a language that you understand, but if it is, you're just really wondering who sent this and what are they trying to tell you? Is it somebody that needs a rescue? Is it somebody who's telling you about some buried treasure? The spelling is like the last thing on your mind, and even if there were a spelling error, it probably wouldn't change your interest in what the message is. So in that case, spelling is kind of a whatever. But on the other hand, what if it was a really important message? What if it was about somebody needing a rescue? But the spelling was so jumbled up that you couldn't understand it. You didn't know where they were or what they were trying to tell you. Well, then the spelling would matter, wouldn't it? The truth is, spelling is one of those things that no matter where you're at, you can always improve just a little and you can make it really fun. And that's our plan with this week's activities, to make spelling fun and make it so that you can have a goal that's meaningful to where you're at. If you're a naturally good speller and it's just really fun for you to spell, then you can challenge yourself to do even harder things. And if learning spelling words is new to you, then you can start where you're at and have fun with that. So this week we'll share with you some activities to help make spelling fun and take you from where you're at right now to making goals that are meaningful for you. And maybe you can even put a message in a bottle.